What is up, YouTube? This is Rick G. I am back with another video, and today it is an NGC error coin grading unboxing. Over the course of my coin roll hunting hobby history, that was a lot to say, I have found some error coins and was happy to find them whenever I didn't know what they were. I knew there was something wrong with them. These are $half, and they are the lightweight $half that I've talked about several times. If you're a regular on my channel, you'll know that I was talking about these and that I had these graded. But quite some time ago, I found some lightweight $half. They had an odd sound. They weighed, obviously, so much less than a regular $half. So I knew something was up. I just didn't know. It was a treasure finding them. It was a treasure figuring out what was wrong with them. And now it's a treasure to have them attributed and sent back to me from NGC. And we're going to find out what the grades are right here. So I'm going to open this thing up and I'll be right back. All right, so we have the box open. I see 3 slabs, which makes me happy because I'm told that if it's not a gradable coin, they'll be sent back in a body bag, that being a plastic bag. So they are gradable coins. I'm happy about that. And we are going to find out what they are attributed to. I do have 2 of them that are 8.8 grams. It was awesome finding them. It sounded like silver as I ran them through my hands. The 10.5 gram as well. But whenever you hear it, you think it's silver. Then you realize that the date's wrong. Weigh your $half that sound funny because, as you can see, you'll find some error coins. And the 8.8 grams, I found out they were on quarter stock. So the error was not easy to find because it's not very well known. But the 10.5 gram one, I did not know what it was, but we're going to find out what they are right now. First, I'm going to show you what the quarter stock is. So basically, this metal is produced to punch out planchets for quarters or dollars or nickels or whatever the mint is going to be using them for. They'll punch out the quarters. Well, this was a quarter stock, but they used it for $half. And what you get is the right diameter, but the wrong thickness, and the thin coin being lightweight. And that's what the 8.8 gram one was. I did find that out. I was able to find that error. 10.9 or 10.5 I was not able to find, but let's find out what all of these graded right now. All right, so this is the first one we are going to start with. Of course, I have the reverses so that you can't see the labels. And obviously a Kennedy. Let's see what the date is. 1972. I'm trying not to look above the camera. So this will be the 10.5 gram one. And scratches, mint error, unk details, scratches. But it says, let's see, underweight planchet, 10.4 grams. So my scale was wrong. 10.4 grams. I thought it was 10.5. They usually weigh 11.2 or 11.3 on my scale. So I knew it was like 8 or 9 gram or tenths of a gram off. And that is not the tolerance. I think it's like a 0.3 of tolerance. But that being said, 10.4, it is underweight. So they didn't really say why it was underweight, but I will take it. Disappointing. It's a little disappointing right here. So let's get into the next 2. I know those, I was able to point that out on the submission sheet on what it was. I put a question mark on what the error was on this, and then as the note. So let's see what this is. Come on now. Come on now. There's the reverse. There's the reverse. Here is the obverse. There's a scratch right there, I see. I didn't look this time. All right, mint error, unk details again, scratches on a 25-cent thickness stock. So I had that correct. 8.7 grams. Another, I guess my scale is a little light or a little heavy, weighing a little heavy. 8.7 grams. This is 2 of them with scratches. Please do not let the third one. Let's see, this is the third coin. That's the second coin. So we got the first coin, but I had the error correct. I had the error correct. Moment of truth right here. First coin I submitted on the paper. This one looks nice. Now, one of the details of the 8.8 grams that I was looking at, I'm going to set this one down. As you can see, the rim error, the rim area, should I say, it will be light. And that is what they showed on the information that I picked up. The area around the rim is going to be light. Basically, it wasn't able to be minted correctly because it is so thin. So let's see what this one is. Come on. This one looks nicer. Let me zoom in just a little bit. This one looks a bit nicer. Flip it over. Don't look up, Rick G. Do not look up. There's a scratch right there. Ah. And we got a grade. AU55, mint error. AU55 on a 25-cent thickness stock. 8.8 grams. So I guess I had this one right. The other one was not. But 8.8 grams. I will take it as an AU55. And I seen a little bit of a scratch. I don't know what their tolerances are on a scratch. It looks like there's a scratch right there. But like maybe they was like, man, we can't just put all scratches on this guy's stuff. Maybe they just felt bad. But I will take it. We have errors. As a coin roll hunter, you want to find errors. I don't know if I said that yet, but, well, maybe you might just want to find silver. But whenever you can find errors and have them attributed, it is an awesome feeling, and that is what just happened here. I had them attributed. 2 of them, I have exact what they are. 1 of them, just that it's underweight, but I will take it for sure. Of course, this is going to stay in my collection forever, and then these, I'll figure out what to do with these 2 right here. Was it worth having them put in plastic? Absolutely. They do not command a high premium on the secondary market or on the firstary market, whatever you want to say, but I will take it for what it is as it is right here. I wanted to have them attributed because I found them as a coin roll hunter and I wanted them to be attributed, and they are. They are, so I'm happy. I've been talking for 4 minutes. My voice is about to go. I wanted to do all of this in one shot because I wanted to share this with you at the exact same time. Remember, if you are hunting half dollars and if you run them through your hand, you can hear a silver coin. These sounded like they were silver. Weigh your half dollars and you'll find an error whenever you find that coin that sounds funny. Let me know what you think. I just wanted to share that with you. I'll have my V75s back soon as well. Until next time, good luck to you. I hope you profit on all your searches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. And until next time, good luck. All right, so if you're still watching, did I just find an error on an error slab? As you see, 8.7 grams, parentheses on both sides. On the 10.4 grams, parentheses on both sides. 8.8 grams. It's missing a parentheses on this right here. Could that possibly? I don't know. Let me know what you think about that one. I thought that was funny when I seen it. Typing error, but I'll take it again. All right, see you guys.